about protecting my rights at work. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Sophia. This is an English listening practice video where you can practice listening and comprehension as I speak. Today, I'm going to talk to John about protecting one's rights at work. This topic is crucial for building strong speaking skills in English, especially when discussing workplace issues. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi, John. Today, I'd like to learn more about protecting my rights at work. What advice do you have for me?
Hi, Sophia. That's a great topic. One important way to protect your rights at work is to know your employment contract well. Do you know what's in your contract?
I have a basic understanding of it, but what should I focus on?
It's important to focus on your job responsibilities, salary, benefits, and any specific clauses. Knowing these can help you understand what you're entitled to. Have you ever experienced any issues with your salary?
Thankfully, not yet. But what should I do if I have a problem with my salary in the future?
The best step is to address it with your HR department or supervisor. Do you know who to contact if you face any issues at work?
Yes, I do. But what about workplace safety? How can I protect myself?
Great question. Ensuring workplace safety is crucial. You should always report any unsafe conditions. Are you aware of the safety protocols in your workplace?
I think so. We have regular safety drills. But what if I need to report harassment?
Harassment should always be reported immediately to HR. It's important to know your company's policy on harassment. Do you feel comfortable reporting issues to HR?
Yes, I think so. But what if I'm not comfortable reporting it directly?
If you're not comfortable, you can report anonymously through a hotline or speak to a trusted manager. Are you aware of any anonymous reporting options?
Yes, I've heard about them. But what if I need time off for health reasons?
Most companies have policies for sick leave or medical leave. You should review your contract or employee handbook. Do you know how to request time off in your company?
Yes, we have an online system. What about work-related injuries? How are those handled?
If you're injured at work, report it immediately and seek medical attention. It's important to follow your company's workers' compensation process. Do you know where to find information about workers' compensation?
Yes, it's in our employee handbook. How can I protect my personal information at work?
Protecting personal information is vital. Avoid sharing sensitive information and use strong passwords. Are you careful with your personal data at work?
Yes, I'm quite careful. What should I do if I experience discrimination?
Discrimination should be reported to HR or a manager. It's also important to document any incidents. Are you aware of your company's discrimination policy?
Yes, we have one. What about privacy? How can I ensure my privacy is respected at work?
Make sure you're aware of your company's privacy policies, especially regarding email and internet use. Are you aware of these policies in your workplace?
I think so. What should I do if I need accommodations at work?
If you need accommodations, speak to HR or your supervisor. It's important to communicate your needs. Do you feel comfortable requesting accommodations if needed?
Yes, I do. What about intellectual property? How can I protect my ideas at work?
Intellectual property is important. Make sure you understand your company's policies on IP ownership. Are you aware of these policies?
Yes, I've read about them. What should I do if I feel overworked?
If you feel overworked, talk to your supervisor about your workload. It's important to address it early. Do you feel comfortable discussing workload issues?
Yes, I do. How can I ensure fair treatment at work?
Fair treatment is key. Know your rights and speak up if you feel treated unfairly. Are you aware of your workplace rights?
Yes, I am. What should I do if I'm being asked to do something unethical?
If you're asked to do something unethical, refuse and report it to a manager or HR. It's important to maintain your integrity. Are you aware of your company's ethical guidelines?
Yes, we have ethical guidelines. How can I ensure my work-life balance is protected?
Work-life balance is important. Set boundaries and communicate your needs. Are you comfortable setting boundaries at work?
Yes, I'm learning to do that. What should I do if my boss is unfair?
If your boss is unfair, try to address the issue directly or speak to HR. It's important to document any incidents. Do you feel comfortable discussing issues with your boss?
Yes, I think I could. How can I protect my job if I speak up about issues?
It's important to know your rights and follow your company's grievance process. Are you familiar with your company's grievance process?
Yes, I've read about it. What should I do if my job responsibilities change without my consent?
If your job changes, discuss it with your supervisor or HR. It's important to clarify your role. Do you feel comfortable discussing job changes?
Yes, I think so. How can I ensure my pay is fair?
Make sure you're aware of the market rate for your role and discuss any concerns with your supervisor. Are you aware of the market rate for your job?
Yes, I've looked into it. How can I protect my job during layoffs?
During layoffs, focus on being valuable and proactive. Stay informed about your company's situation. Are you aware of your company's layoff policy?
Yes, I've read about it. What should I do if my ideas are not valued?
If your ideas aren't valued, discuss it with your supervisor or seek feedback. It's important to communicate your value. Are you comfortable discussing your ideas?
Yes, I am. What should I do if my coworkers are uncooperative?
If coworkers are uncooperative, address it directly or speak to a manager. It's important to resolve conflicts early. Are you comfortable resolving conflicts with coworkers?
Yes, I think I can. How can I protect my mental health at work?
Protecting mental health is crucial. Take breaks, set boundaries, and seek support if needed. Are you aware of mental health resources at work?
Yes, we have some resources. What should I do if I'm being bullied at work?
If you're being bullied, report it to HR or a manager immediately. It's important to address bullying early. Are you comfortable reporting bullying?
Yes, I think I could. How can I ensure my contributions are recognized?
Make sure you're proactive and communicate your achievements. It's important to advocate for yourself. Are you comfortable advocating for yourself?
Yes, I'm learning to do that. How can I protect my work from being stolen?
Protect your work by keeping records and understanding your company's intellectual property policies. Are you aware of these policies?
Yes, I am. How can I ensure my ideas are heard?
Make sure you communicate clearly and follow up on your ideas. It's important to be proactive. Are you comfortable sharing your ideas at work?
Yes, I am. How can I protect my job during difficult times?
Focus on being valuable and flexible. It's important to adapt and communicate effectively. Are you comfortable adapting to changes at work?
Yes, I try to be flexible. How can I ensure I'm being paid fairly for extra work?
Make sure you're aware of your company's policies on overtime and extra work. Discuss any concerns with your supervisor. Are you aware of these policies?
Yes, I've looked into them. How can I protect my privacy at work?
Be mindful of sharing personal information and understand your company's privacy policies. Are you careful with your privacy at work?
Yes, I try to be. How can I ensure my skills are valued?
Focus on developing your skills and communicate your value to your supervisor. Are you comfortable discussing your skills at work?
Yes, I am. How can I ensure fair treatment when applying for promotions?
Make sure you're aware of the promotion process and communicate your interest. It's important to be proactive. Are you familiar with your company's promotion process?
Yes, I've read about it. How can I protect my health at work?
Focus on maintaining a healthy lifestyle and take breaks when needed. It's important to prioritize your health. Are you mindful of your health at work?
Yes, I try to be. How can I ensure my work-life balance is respected?
Set clear boundaries and communicate your needs to your supervisor. It's important to maintain balance. Are you comfortable setting boundaries at work?
Yes, I'm learning to do that. How can I protect my job from automation?
Focus on developing valuable skills and adapting to changes. It's important to stay relevant. Are you focused on developing your skills?
Yes, I'm always learning. How can I ensure my boss listens to my concerns?
Make sure you communicate clearly and provide solutions. It's important to be proactive. Are you comfortable discussing concerns with your boss?
Yes, I am. How can I protect my mental health during stressful times?
Focus on self-care, take breaks, and seek support if needed. It's important to prioritize your well-being. Are you mindful of your mental health at work?
Yes, I try to be. How can I ensure my voice is heard at work?
Make sure you communicate effectively and advocate for yourself. It's important to be proactive. Are you comfortable speaking up at work?
Yes, I'm learning to do that. Thank you, John, for all the helpful information.
You're welcome, Sophia. I'm glad I could help.
That's all for today, everyone. Leave a comment and let us know how you protect your rights at work. Remember to subscribe to English with Sophia for more listening practice. I'll see you in the next video.